Good morning and welcome to APRN Institute of International Studies Gurgaon channel. Today I am going to discuss about new specialization in nursing, that is Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist. Let us understand what is Nurse Anesthetist. So Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetists are advanced practice registered nurses specialized in anesthesia, meaning they earned a graduate level degree, either a master or doctorate in anesthesia. Nurse anesthetists work in anesthesia and pain management before, during and after surgery and medical procedures. Nurse anesthetist practice includes pre-anesthetic evaluation and preparation, anesthesia, induction, maintenance and emergence, post-management and cardiac life support techniques. So, certified registered nurse anesthetists are in high demand in the healthcare industry, and the projected employment growth of nurse anesthetists is expected to be 17% from 2018 to 2028, which is a far higher than expected growth for all other occupations. For more updates, you can log into www.astron.international. You can also connect us in 96 500 40822 number. Thank you.